Good day. I'm going to present my review of related literature that support my topic, which is marang powderized flavor. Number one, it's about marang. It's a tropical fruit valued for its sweet pulp and nutritional benefits, but it spoils quickly. Research has looked into using its waste, peel, seeds, pulp for food or other products. Marang is delicious and healthy, but it doesn't last long after harvest. Some researchers found that even its waste, like seeds and pulp, can be turned into flour, food, or even alcohol. Shows marang has many uses, not just for eating fresh. Number two, powderization as a solution. Powderization, turning fruits into powder, is widely studied because it extends shelf life and makes fruits easier to store and use. Drying fruits into powder helps them last longer and makes them easier to seal, but fruit powders can sometimes clump, become sticky, or lose taste. These are problems we need to solve if we want to make good marang powder. Number 3. Flavor and aroma in powders. This article is even when fruits are dried into powder, they can still keep their flavor and smell. This means marang powder could taste and smell like the fresh fruit, which is important for making drinks or dessert. Number 4. Nutritional value and antioxidant. Marang has antioxidant and nutritional value. It showed freeze-dried fruit powder keep their nutrients and antioxidant, making them suitable for healthy drinks. In simple words, marang is healthy because it has antioxidants. Other fruits that were made into powder also stayed nutritious. This means marang powder can still be healthy when used in food or drinks. Number 5. Lesson from other fruits. Researchers turned berries into powder and found that drying kept them healthy, but the drying method mattered. This gives us an idea of how to dry marang properly to make good powder. Number 6. Application in beverages. This study shows fruit powders work well in beverages. Fruit powders are often used in drinks and people like them because they taste good and are healthy. Marang powder could also be used this way in juices, teas, or smoothies. Number 7. Application in snacks and baked goods. It showed adding fruit powders improved the nutrition and antioxidant of snacks. Marang seed flour, which consumers accept. In simple words, is fruit powder makes snack and baked food healthier and tastier. Marang seed have already been used for cookies that people like. This means marang powder could also work well in baked products like bread or cakes. Number 8. The technical challenges. These challenges in powderization include high moisture content, clumping, and loss of flavor or color. In the making, fruit powder is not always easy. If the fruit has too much water, like marang, the powder can stick together or lose its taste. Number 9. Other uses of marang. Aside from food, the IRG Mets 2022 studied how marang pulp waste can make alcohol, showing its potential for value-adding processing. However, powderization of marang pulp for flavoring remains unexplored. In marang waste has already been used to make alcohol, proving it can be reused in different ways, but no one has yet tried turning it pulp into powder for flavoring, which can make this study unique. Overall, the reviewed studies highlight marang's nutritional value and various uses, as well the potential of fruit powders in beverages and snacks. However, there are still little research in powderizing marang pulp itself. This creates a gap for future studies to address, focusing on extending shelf life, reducing waste, and creating new food products. All these studies show that marang is useful and healthy, and the fruit powders work well in the food and drinks, but no one has really studied marang pulp powder yet. This is why research is important to make marang last longer, reduce waste, and create new products. In conceptual explanation, they have three components. Number one is input. This is what the study starts with the resources, theories, and references that form the foundation. In fresh marang pulp, serve as the main raw material since marang is highly perishable and underutilized. Flavoring agents enhance taste, aroma, or stability to improve consumer acceptability. The drying technology like spray drying or freeze drying, which are essential for powderization. And food preservation principles and theoretical basis ensuring the product retains nutritional and sensory qualities. Number two is process. This represents the step-by-step procedures in transforming fresh marang into powderized flavor. Preparation, washing, peeling, and extracting marang pulp to make it ready for processing. Flavoring, sweeteners, stabilizers, or natural additives can be added for product enhancement. Powderization, applying drying methods, spray drying, freeze drying to convert pulp into stable powder. Air application, checking how the powder performs in food and beverages like juice, baked goods, and desserts. It is the heart of the study because it shows how the input is transformed into the expected output. The last one is output. This is the study end results or what the study expects the procedures. This is the end result or what the study expects to produce powderized flavor marang, easy to store and consumer friendly form of marang. Extended shelf life. Unlike fresh marang, which spoils quickly, the powder can last much longer. And the national and sensory quality is retains health benefit and desirable taste, aroma, or fresh marang. The food innovation potential can be used as an ingredient in a various food industry, snacks, beverages, baked products, and reduce the post-harvest losses. Support farmers and reduce waste by preserving excess harvest. This output provides scientific, economic, and social value, making the study relevant to both consumers and industry.